So I'm here in Paris at Cravan on the Boulevard Saint-Germain-des-Prés with one of my favorite bartenders in Paris, Franck Audoux. Did I pronounce it right?
Definitely.
He has two different bars in Paris. You have Cravan.
The original one, very tiny bar, 17 seat in the 16 area of Paris, far west. Is a bar from 1911, designed by Hector Guimard. And so the idea was like a kind of prototype, very small, tiny bar. And here we are Boulevard Saint-Germain. We opened 3 years ago, a full house, actually, 4 floor, dedicated to cocktail.
One thing, you have a new book out.
Yeah.
Cravan, Cocktails and More.
Cocktails and More, that's definitely the idea. It's published by Rizzo in New York. It is an alphabet book, because this version of alphabet book was the best for me to explain all the inspiration, what feeds Cravan. Because for me, the cocktail is always the beginning of the story.
You also say that your cocktails are not complicated, but there's complexity in them, which is kind of how I bake and how a lot of people in France actually cook at home. Very simple, but delicious. All the cocktails are very simple, like 3 or 4 ingredients.
Yeah. It's very focused, few ingredients. We are very obsessed about balance, taste, flavor.
So when I wrote my book, Drinking French, I wanted to include you in the book because you make this cocktail that's called the yellow cocktail. And I almost wanted to steal it and get credit because if I have to name like my top 3 cocktails in the world, that's one of them.
Thank you.
I would say it's probably number 2, although it could be my favorite. But when the book came out, I realized there were more pictures of you in the book than me.
Yeah.
You got more pictures.
I was so young.
Yeah.
Here we decide to choose a classic one, French 75.
Okay, which uses
gin, lemon, simple syrup, and champagne. Absinthe also, and we infuse the gin with the agastache.
What is agastache?
I have some here.
Because I was reading your book, and there are a lot of interesting infusions.
Yeah, and agastache is, so we use dry flower of agastache. Idea today is to twist a little bit the classic French 75 to bring licorice flavor, to have something more fresh for this crazy canicule time.
All right, so let's make the French 75.
So French 75.
It's a great hot weather drink.
Yeah, classic cocktail created during the First World War. French 75, the history is from the cannon of the French artillery, 75.
That was the name of the cannon.
And the cannon, yeah, the 75. And the history say, like the cannon, this cocktail never missed its target.
Okay.
Yeah. We start with 30 ml of gin, agastache infused gin. After is a half. So 15 of lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. And 15 of simple syrup. So simple syrup is an equal part of water and sugar, white sugar and dilution.
So I like also, one thing I learned from you is to mix cocktails in a measuring tin. You don't use cocktail glasses like a lot of bartenders.
No, because we most of the time we don't serve our cocktail or creation on ice. With this metal tin, I'm able to work to the limit of the dilution, to have a perfect fresh.
The perfect dilution.
Exactly. And so the twist, we already did a twist with the agastache infused gin, and the other twist to add, if I can, is to put 5 drops of absinthe. 1,
I remember
2,
when they made
3,
absinthe
4,
legal,
5.
Everybody was buying it.
Yeah.
And then a few years later, everyone kind of realized it's not really a great drink, but it's great in a cocktail, like a few drops.
Few drops is to bring freshness. So after that, we put ice cube. And so the check is very hard check, very short one. After that, here we serve in a coupette, I should say, so small.
Ice cold.
So we use after that double strain. That's already a signature, just to avoid a little piece of ice.
And you also talk about in your book how the glasses are really important. I love the care that you put into choosing simple glass.
Of course, your first contact with the cocktail will be your eyes. So we are very focused on the color of the cocktail, of the glassware, of course. Add champagne.
Oh, okay, I was right.
So you drop it, because of course, never check champagne.
Okay.
To avoid explosion. And after that, you just...
It's beautiful.
And you gentle stir a bit. And after that, to finish, we can just a small coin of lemon.
Ah. Oh wow, I love how it just added sparkle to the
Exactly. And after that, just cheers.
It's beautiful. Can I taste it?
Please.
Okay. I might drink the whole thing at once because it's so hot. So. Wow. You know, it's really good. And it's also not sweet. It's very refreshing.
Yeah, it's very refreshing due to the agastache, the absinthe, the licorice.
A lot of citrus.
Citrus, licorice. So I think that's why it's perfect. Easy drinks to make at home and perfect for this summer, crazy summertime.
This is the cocktail of summer, folks. No, it's really delicious. I haven't been into your new space.
Yeah.
It's not new anymore. It's new to me.
Yeah.
You've had this for how long?
We opened 3 years ago now.
Okay, so Cravan and the Saint-Germain-des-Prés.
165 Boulevard Saint-Germain is a full house, 4th floor dedicated to cocktail and more. We have some talks, there is a bookshop.
So if there is one concept, if there was one thing that you could say sums up your whole esprit, esprit for cocktails and for your Cravan, what would it be?
For me, cocktail est vraiment le fil rouge d'un art de vivre qu'on essaye de proposer ici.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci David.
Et cheers.
Cheers again.
À santé.
Cheers.
You don't have a cocktail, but I'm drinking the whole thing.
Enjoy.
I drank the whole thing. You could tell how much I love it. Thank
Enjoy.
you, Frank.
Thank you, David.
Cheers.
Thank you very much. Cheers.